To the Horn of Africa region now, where Somalia's body mandated to adopt the draft constitution convened for the first time on Wednesday after 2 months of delays. Now, this was occasioned by controversies surrounding the contents of the draft. CCTV's Mohammed Hirmoge brings us more on that story.
After getting postponed twice in July alone, the Somali National Constituent Assembly mandated to ratify the draft constitution finally convenes. In an auspicious function attended by the transition's top leadership, the Somali government officials expressed optimism that the road towards a new constitution after 7 years was finally in sight.
They do have ample time to adopt the constitution, and where there are some contentions, they are required to write a report and submit it to the next parliament. And that parliament would function also as a constituent assembly as well as a parliament. And it will prepare the constitution for a final adoption in a referendum sometime in the future.
I expect great success, and I think it's a success for Somalia, it's a success for the Banad region, and it's a success for the the committee that are working for the last 3 months on this issue. And I congratulate all of them, and I congratulate for Somalia. All their previous government used to be established outside of the country. This is a new history, and I think we are seeing history, and we are hoping that Second Republic of Somalia will be born here in Mogadishu.
The National Constituent Assembly members were selected by 135 traditional elders from various Somali clans. The elders are also expected to select the country's members of parliament, who will in turn vote for its speaker, deputy speaker, as well as the president. The convention of the National Constituent Assembly has been a long time coming. The National Constituent Assembly is the body mandated to ratify the draft for Somalia. The event starting today will shape the destiny of this nation. The United Nations Political Office for Somalia has been facilitating Somalia's peace process and the process of drafting a constitution for the hitherto unstable Horn of African state.
What is important is that Somalis, after 9 years of transition, and after 21 years of a conflict, you are going to have a new opportunity to choose your new leaders.
In about 10 days, the traditional elders project to submit the names of the new parliamentarians. Mohammed Hirmoge, CCTV, Mogadishu.